Okay, hello, welcome back. So today I'll be making a clearer explanation about the new YouTube features, that is AdSense online verification. Well, some of you have talked about this. Some of you say the new online verification isn't working. Some say it worked, but they think they are still scared or still waiting for the pin that will never come. I've had, this conversation back and forth, and I made a video sometime last year, and I think I want to put this to rest because I know some of you confirmed that the new monetization process, that is the new online verification process, worked for you, while some say it doesn't work. So now the reason why you might possibly not have access to the new verification process could be that maybe your country is not eligible to use that process. So I'm going to talk about the countries and some other things that are related to the new verification process. So if you're new on YouTube, you need to have an AdSense account, that is for sure. Without AdSense linked to your YouTube channel, YouTube will not monetize your channel. And when you reach the threshold, YouTube will require you to set up an AdSense account, that is if you don't have one. And when you set up a new one, you'll be required to verify yourself, because before YouTube will give you the money, will pay you, they want to be sure that you are the person who you are or who you claim to be. So before now, they will send a pin via postal mail. They will send it to a post office that will get to the address you use in your AdSense account. So, but things changed around March 2025. That's possibly because of the number of creators and this online, this verifying your identity or verifying your AdSense account is a manual process, because they are going to send you the pin. So I think it's now telling on Google, so they now use this online verification. And in my own opinion, from what I've seen, I think they focused on countries that have many creators. You get the point, because I didn't see countries like the United States. I didn't see countries like UK and even Canada. They are not among the countries that have access to this new store. So there's a criteria they use, and fortunately we have about 6 African countries that are among the countries that have access to this new monetization online verification process, and Nigeria is one of them. So let me read out the countries here. Like here we have, in Africa we have Egypt, Ethiopia, Morocco, Nigeria, South Africa, and Tunisia. So these are the only African countries that have access to the new YouTube monetization verification. You get the point. So if you are not in any of these African, if you are based in Africa and you are not in any of these countries, definitely you will be required to enter a PIN for you to verify your AdSense. So I guess some of you that have been talking this back and forth, that this feature is not, you don't have this feature, so possibly you are not in any of these African countries. Then coming to the larger, to the global level, we have 24 countries, including Argentina, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Colombia, India. I will list the rest on the screen so that you can pause the video and then check out if your country is among the countries. So then there's this issue that came up some days ago while I was working with a creator that is based in Guyana. I think I got the pronunciation of that country correctly. Now, for example, like some of us that are in the diaspora, you might have this challenge of using your host country information or your home country information. If you don't have the required documents from your host country, like maybe your resident permit or some other document, driver license and all that, if you don't have those information, there's no need for you to choose your host country in your AdSense account. just use your home country and then submit the necessary ID that you have access to. Then another thing, this new online verification is just a matter of minutes. In less than 5 minutes, not even up to 5, in less than 2 minutes, you are done with the online verification. That is if you do it correctly. But at the same time, if you attempt it severally, I think if you attempt it more than 4 times, YouTube will suspend your AdSense account. And if you have any money in that AdSense account, you won't have access to it. So you need to be careful about that. And even in the typical identity verification, if you miss it, you won't, the revenue you have in that AdSense account won't go. So because I have a creator that is trying to reach out to me, I think they have similar problem, and I think we're going to find a way of resolving that issue. So if you have any issue with your AdSense account, you can sign up to my AdSense support program, where I can help you to fix any problem that you have with your AdSense account. And if you're about to reach your monetization threshold and you don't want any story, you don't want, maybe because of one problem or the other, you won't be able to monetize your channel, you can just sign up to my AdSense account. I will guide you, I will assist you, and make sure that we do the right thing without missing out any details or information that are required, and then make sure you get your earnings, your first revenue, into your bank accounts. So if you have any issue with your AdSense or you're about to monetize your channel, you can sign up. So finally, before I go, I'll be going live in some hours, so we're going to discuss more about it. So check out these countries. If yours is not there, that means you need to wait for the pin. And sadly, this pin normally take 3 weeks to arrive, and in most cases, like for our African creators, we know the challenges we normally face with our postal services. They are not that excellent, so you might have this issue of not getting the pin to you. But in my recent video, I explained how you can add your phone number to your address, so that even when it eventually gets to the post office, someone can help you out by calling you to let you know that your pin is available. So that's that from me. So if you have any other question, you can drop it in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, so that you won't miss helpful videos like this. And don't forget to join me in the coming hours. I'll be going live in the coming hours, so join me and we'll talk more about YouTube monetization and the way forward. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.